Hello everybody. I'm here at this property that I might be interested in getting funding for. It is a fire damaged property. It's a lot. But if I can get 100% funding for it, then I might get it. See, that's the key for real estate investing. You don't really have to use your own money. You can just try to see if you can get funding for it. If it don't work out, then I ain't gonna worry about it. Wait a minute, what is that? I'm trying to walk on in. It has a let's see. Has a lockbox. Oh Lord. Okay. What we got in here? Woo wee! Holy crap! Yikes! Woo wee! What the hell? Oh, excuse me. I don't curse. Sorry. I should have signed a waiver before I got in here. Close the door. Wow. It's really bad in here. I hope there's no bodies in here. Jesus. This is really bad. Really, really bad. Exactly, Andy. Oh, God. Oh, my Lord. This is really, really bad. Ooh. Jesus. How in the hell? Ooh. I know they say you can make really good money if you do fire damage properties, but dang, I don't know about this one. This is definitely be a challenge. This may take a whole like a year or two to get fixed. Unless you got like maybe 10 to 15 contractors working in this house alone. Look at Carrie. Carrie, I was gonna assign this to be in the shower. You think they'll be able to handle this? Holy crap, this is the kitchen. This is, you see the outside, right? Yeah, it's really bad over here, bro. It's really bad. Ooh. I'm here on my lunch break, you guys. You see? I know I got about 5 jobs, but technically 1 full-time job and 4 side hustles. Real estate investing is my side hustle. Woo, Jesus. I see the outside in here. My gosh. And y'all hit me up, inbox me, Kristen. I want to learn how to flip. Okay. Come with me to some of these properties. Wow. Woo. It's a nice neighborhood now. Don't get me wrong. It's a really nice neighborhood. But I feel like you may have to start over again with this house. And I'm not even exaggerating. Ooh. Well, I'm glad I came in here. Ooh. No, I really don't. Oh, I keep the door open so I can breathe a little bit. You can get. Oof. My gosh. This is. No wonder the asking price was very low. It should be lower, actually. $30K for this? Maybe $30. My goodness. I don't know about this one. I don't know. What you think, Andy? You think I should get it? Well, at least if you get the house, you may have some free clothing. See, the owners left the clothes in here. Jesus. Wow. Man. This is a real big deal. I thought maybe, just maybe, it'll be okay. Just maybe. Like, I could probably handle it. Oh, just a little fire damage. What? This right here is a do-over. Just a little bit. Squatters can't even come in here. Yikes, you guys. Yikes. Yikes. I knew it was too good to be true. I just knew it. It was too good to be true. Because that asking price was kind of low. I don't know about this one. I mean, Carrie, I'm going to let Mom be in the shower and do this one. You think they'll be able to handle this one? Heck. I don't think the workers in HGTV can handle this one. I don't know. I know they done fire damage. My last flip was like fire damage. But was a little bit. The fire damage was just a little bit. This right here is extreme. I don't know about this one. I don't know. Yikes. Jesus. This looks almost like, what's the name? The house that what's the name was in? Yeah, I don't know about that one. Ooh. Well, see, nice neighborhood. Beautiful neighborhood, actually. And guess what, you guys? This is a 29203 area. Nice neighborhood. Got the wreath over here and everything. But this house right here, I don't know, y'all. I don't know about this one. See? I'm being careful, Miss Robin. This is the outside. Ooh. Jesus. See, it's a nice house. It just damaged really, really bad. I don't know about this one. I mean, a very nice neighborhood, too. Yikes. What y'all think? I think I should get it? Yikes. Alrighty. Bye.